Hi YouTube, this is Drizzlet. Um, I have something to talk about really important. I have a 05 600 gsxr, and I've been looking for this problem already for I don't fucking know, like 3-4 hours. And then I went through all my harnesses, ECUs. I used the electric cleaner, cleaned every little connector, every little sensor. And then what happened was I was coming home and my fucking headlight went off. It wouldn't start and shit, right? So I've been looking around, researching, and then so the headlight was flickering and it came off. And then I parked home, everything was fine. So I went to buy a new headlight, and then I went to the store, and they gave me a LED on a discount, which is fine, but it wouldn't fucking fit. I guess it's a K7 or a fucking K3, whatever the fuck it is. But anyways, so I've been going around, just going over the bike, just having a headache and shit. And then I went through every little fucking crack, whatever the fuck it is, disconnected, connected the battery 10 times. Maybe they reset some shit. Check this, check the fucking power with my fucking AC, DC, whatever the fuck connector cable is. And then what happened was, I stumbled on this. Your starter switch, what it does is it controls your headlight, basically. When you try to start it, and Suzuki made it to where, to save power on the battery, when you starting the bike, it I'll show you. It basically shuts for that moment when you hit the starter button, it shuts off the power, and then to the headlight, and then starts the bike. So now, just 1 second, let me see, get the phone fucking to stay. So what happens is, so I got my fucking thing on, and you can see my headlight. So plugged in, and the bulb is fine, the bulb works, and it doesn't come on, right? And I got my long beam, high beams, and you got the low beams. Nothing's happening. So when I hit the clutch and hit the starter button, it's not starting, right? So what happens is, I'm trying to get the phone. I don't have 3 hands, so you see right now, if I mess with the switch right here, this little fucker, see how the headlight came on, right? So now if I put the clutch in, see, it comes off. So if I put the clutch in and get it to where it's, get it to where it's connecting, the bike will start. It's fucking a bitch because it fucked up, but anyways, the fuck. See how the headlight's tweaking on and off because of the starter switch? There it is. So I thought maybe something's wrong with my starter, but the bike starts fine. Idle fine, revs up fine. So basically, I don't know how many out there have problems. I looked around, I looked YouTube. Same guy had a problem, wouldn't start, the headlights off, or the bike starts, it's off and shit. Maybe I thought maybe it's a headlight switch. My turn signal worked fine, my blinker's fine, my horn worked fine. The pass, whatever light, yellow didn't work because the headlights was off. So any of you out there who's having the same problem, like I said, it's an 05 600 gsxr. This thing right here, I took it off earlier, but what happens is there's a little 2 fucking prong and shit, the little fucking aluminum, and then when you hit this, it slides from these 2 that shuts off the headlights to these to start the bike, and it comes back, these 2 little connectors, they start the lights. So just any of you out there, if that's what you guys have been having an issue, I thought it was maybe some other bullshit, maybe an ECU problem or something, I don't know. But like I said, I hope this was helpful. I hope in the future help a lot of people. If this is what it is, I hope I helped everybody out. Like I said, I was really worried about, what the fuck is going on with my bike. I hope it wasn't some big bullshit, but I guess not. Just a little thing. I don't know if I'm going to resolder it or try to fix it, maybe get a new one. Usually at the dealers, they try to get you buy the whole piece, the whole harness and shit. Maybe I'll find some on Craigslist. But anyways, like I said, if this was helpful to anybody, help me. I hope I can help you guys, and Drizzle out.